Initially, Quadcom was looked down as just another political vehicle tasked to persecute those who are perceived to be in the opposition and those whose political beliefs are critical of the administration. It was not easy to overcome the negative bashings that were thrown our way, Mr. Speaker. Nonetheless, from the moment that this plenary tasked the Quadcom to look into, investigate in aid of legislation, and make its recommendations, the entire Quadcom team did not waste time and forthwith buckled down to work. Aware of the enormity of the task, we welcomed the challenge and faced the issues head-on without preconditions, personal biases, nor expectation. We were not prepared for what was to come. The mandate seemed simple. Work for the good of the country, with dozens of resource persons, including volunteer witnesses and guests, and room full of paperwork and documents. We realized that the seemingly simple mandate was most demanding. The committee meticulously examined each and every page, listened and dissected every word uttered, analyzed all data, and scrutinized all the evidence for the sole purpose of arriving at the solemn truth. At the conclusion of our work, Mr. Speaker, Quadcom was able to prove the critics wrong. It does not exist for political persecution nor cheap propaganda. It is not an administration tool to destroy the opposition nor a vehicle to advance one's political ambition. Mr. Speaker, the Quadcom committee report contains established facts that hurdled the test successfully. Those facts were the basis of the findings and recommendations put forth by the committee. Recommendations that are backed by solid evidence, both testimonial and documentary, that were presented in the hearings and unearthed through research.